and I'm going to walk you through the submittal process. This will include creating and maintaining a log, requesting submittals and lead times, review and submission, distribution, and follow-up. The first thing to do once you're ready to start the submittal process is to create a submittal log. The log is very important because it will be your way of tracking all materials and necessary documents throughout the entire project from start to finish. It will also be your way of sharing procurement information to the rest of the project team. Looking through the construction documents, you will log all materials that will need to be procured, including product names, numbers, and organizing each by trade. You will continue to update this log during other steps of the submittal process. Your next step will be to request submittals from the subcontractors. You can send the log you have made as a way to ensure you are on the same page for what items are needed. You will also want to give a deadline on when to have the submittals turned in by, especially for high priority submittals. At the same time, you will also want to request lead times for specific materials from your subcontractors. Once received, you will add this information to your log. The lead times will help you identify high priority submittals and help you keep track of material arrival dates. The next step is to start reviewing the submittals you have collected. It is your job to do your own due diligence by reviewing and comparing each submittal with the construction documents. If the information is incorrect or missing items, reach out to that sub to have them revise it. If the information appears to be correct, you can electronically stamp and distribute the submittal to the architect or engineer for approval. Once the architect or engineer returns the submittal, you will review the document for approval. The architect will typically either approve it as noted, or require a revise and resubmit. If the submittal is requesting a revision, send it back to the subcontractor and redo the submittal process as a revision as soon as possible. If the submittal is approved, distribute it to all affected subcontractors and your project team, including the site superintendent. It is important to include the dates of all sent, returned, and distributed submittals into your submittal log as you go along. The last step is to follow up with the subcontractor to find out if and when he or she has ordered materials. If the submittal has a verify and field dimension, make sure the subcontractor has confirmed these dimensions prior to release and fabrication of the materials. To keep your log current, it is good practice to continually request delivery updates from your subcontractors, especially for high priority submittals. This will complete the submittal process. Thanks.